Dealing with estate agents and property sources. When looking to find your next buy-to-let property, both agents and professional property sources can assist you in slightly different ways. In this video, we will cover how they can help you on your investor journey. Estate agents. Local estate agents can be a mine of information. Independent agents often have more investment experience than the big chain agents. They should be able to tell you all about the local property market and provide you with valuable information such as what is in demand in the area, how long properties take to rent. They may even know of a buy-to-let landlord who wishes to sell, so this could be an opportunity for you to buy also. Agents can also offer you letting services, and if you build a good relationship, you can often arrange a good deal on letting fees. Professional property sources. Property sources specialize in packaging and selling investment properties. Before using a property sourcer, you should check that they are a member of one of the property ombudsmans, such as the PRS. You should check they have the necessary insurances in place and check their terms of business. A reputable sourcer will be worth their weight in gold and could save you lots of time and money. Sourcers differ from agents hugely as they specialize in the investment market only. A good property sourcer will offer you not just a property, but they should carry out a lot of the initial research, so you as the investor are presented with an overview of the potential. Some of the information you may expect to find from a sourcer is local property data and market information, rental information, location information such as other investments being made in the area, and potential costs of any works or running costs. A point worth noting is because sources operate in the investment market, many of the properties they offer will be a ready-made investment with a tenant already in situ. So, you are generating cash from day one of owning your investment. To help you, we have compiled our 5 top tips when dealing with estate agents and property sources. Tip 1. When negotiating, be confident. It's important to put your offer across confidently. A good estate agent or sourcer will put your confidence across to the seller, increasing the chance of your offer being accepted. Tip 2. Be prepared. If you are using finance to purchase, do your research before you start viewing, so that should you find the perfect investment, you are in a position to move quickly. Tip 3. Utilize their power team. Estate agents and sourcers typically have years of experience. Ask for recommendation, opinions, and introductions. Tip 4. Avoid voids. If the agent or sourcer offer a letting service, ask them to begin marketing the property for tenants when you are close to exchange. This way, you can have tenants ready to move in when you get the keys. Tip 5. It's a marathon, not a sprint. Build your relationship to last. If you are developing a property, sell or rent the end units back through the estate agent or sourcer you purchased the property through, helping you build a stronger relationship.